This video will walk you through the unboxing, setup, and essential features of your Timken gateway and wireless sensors to get you up and running. First, let's unbox your gateway and sensors. If you're using the enclosed gateway, unscrew the top panel to locate your unique serial number and password. Then replace the top panel and secure the screws. If you're using the standard gateway, you can simply turn it over to locate the serial number and password. Once you've located your password, make sure to write it down. This will be your access code to the gateway and the admin functions of the dashboard. Now it's time to power on the gateway. Remember that the gateway will need to be placed somewhere close to where the sensors will be mounted. If you're using the enclosed gateway, assemble the back panel together and plug in the power cable. Once your gateway is powered on, a blue indicator light will appear. The blue light will appear for 4 to 6 minutes while it boots up. When the light changes from blue to green, it means your gateway is online. Now, let's connect your gateway via the Wi-Fi access point. Note that during this process, your device will temporarily disconnect from any other Wi-Fi networks it had been using. The Wi-Fi access point will appear as an available network, with a name that includes the gateway's serial number. Once you've selected the gateway, enter your gateway password as the security key. On mobile devices, it may be called password. Now the connection is complete. Next, type the default dashboard address into a browser and press Enter. You will need to enter your gateway's password to access the admin section. Now let's go through setting a gateway time. Manually enter the time, or press Get Time from this device to establish your gateway time. Then select Save when you're done and wait for the reboot to finish. Now we return to the sensors. Power on your sensors by pressing and holding the power button until the status light turns green. Make sure to note the serial number and location of each sensor you mount. Now you can mount your sensors to your bearings or other applications you wish to monitor. Adapters are available separately if necessary. Before installing the sensor, turn off power to equipment onto which the sensor is being installed. Allow equipment to cool and use lockout-tagout procedures. The next step is to perform a connectivity check by pressing the button on the sensor briefly. It should turn green, turn off, then turn green again. It's time to register the sensors in the dashboard. Refer to your notes on the sensor serial numbers and locations. Begin with the sensor closest to the gateway and work outward from there. Names and location notes can be added to each sensor as they're registered. You can set the measurement interval to 5 minutes during registration to more quickly see whether data is being collected. Just remember to switch it to a longer interval later. Your Timken gateway and sensors are all set up and ready to go. If you have any questions, additional information is available on timkensensor.com.